Hello friends, this is Professor PB Mani. Today we will start our new subject, that is production process. Okay, in that we will see our unit number 3, that is sheet metal working. Okay, so what is mean by a sheet metal? Sheet metal is a metal formed by an industrial process into thin and flat pieces. Okay, so sheet metal is one of the fundamental form used in metal working, and it can be cut and bent into a variety of shapes. इसको शीट मेटल को हम we can cut and bend into many varieties of shapes. Okay, so countless everyday object are fabricated from sheet metals. So sheet metal से हम different types of varieties of shapes and objects we can fabricate it. Okay, so thickness can vary significantly, and extremely thin sheets are considered as a foil, and pieces is thicker than 6 mm. Okay, so that are considered plate steel or structural steel. So sheet metal is available in flat pieces or coil strips. So these coils are formed by running a continuous sheets of metals through a roll slider. So there are many different metals that can be made into sheet metals. Means sheet metals के different types of metals है. For example, that is aluminium, brass, copper, steel, tin, nickel and titanium. For means decorative uses, some important sheet metals includes silver, gold and platinum. Platinum sheet metal is also utilized as a catalyst. Okay, so this is nothing but a sheet metal. So different type what are the different operations of sheet metals? So different operations are such as shearing, slitting, nibbling, blanking, punching, piercing, hand forming, bending, flanging, ribbing, hemming, lanching, curling, edge formation. Okay, these are the operations performed on the sheet metals. Okay, so let's see in details one by one. Okay, so first one is your bending. What is mean by a bending? Bending is a metal forming process. Bending is a metal forming process in which a force is applied to a piece of sheet metals which causing it to bend at an angle. Okay, ये पर्टिकुलर एंगल के लिए उसे बेंड होने में होना पड़ता है. ओके, उसे मीन्स इट ऑकर्स व्हेन फोर्सेस आर अप्लाइड to localize areas. Means here the metal flow is uniform along with the bend axis, with the inner surface in compression and outer surface is in tension. Okay, so it get at some angle it gets bent. Okay, so types of bending, there are various types of bending. That is nothing but first one is your edge bending, second one is your V bending, third one is your U bending, fourth one is your offset bending, fifth one is your channel bending. Okay, so first we will see what is mean by a edge or Y bending. Okay, so in this bending you can see here a punch, uh, pressure pad, then you can see your die, then your stroke, it's not getting zoom, So here you can see this is your punch, this is your V die, this is sheet metal, okay, and here is your pressure pad, okay. So what happened in this case, it is a type of bending operation in which pieces of sheet metal is fixed. जो शीट मेटल के पीसेस है वो फिक्स रहते हैं और हेल्ड बिटवीन टू डाइज फ्रॉम वन एंड मीन्स आपने जो फिगर में देखा है इट इज़ हेल्ड बिटवीन टू डाइज के इन बिटवीन इट इज़ फिक्स okay, and then the other end is forced to strike upon the punch which is free or unfixed, okay. जो unfix punch जो unfix है आपका punch that is forced to strike, okay. So thus the free or unfixed edge of the sheet metal pieces is bent to make the forming process. This is your edge or Y bending, and in V bending what happen, you can see the see in V bending diagram. Here is your blank, punch and die, okay. So what happen in this case, in this type of bending operation, when a piece or a sheet metal is pressed between the die and the punch, okay, die and the punch, when the sheet metal is pressed between die और पंच के बीच जब sheet metal press होगा, then it is formed into a V shape in the die, okay. V shape आपका die में form होगा, that is nothing but your V bending or the V bending, okay. So these are the bending operations: straight flanging, shrink flanging, hemming, seaming and curling, okay. So we had seen V bending, edge bending. Now we will see U bending. In figure 2 you can see in this U bending. What happened in this, here is your force is applied, okay, force. This is your punch, okay, and here is your sheet metal. This is your sheet metal, okay. So and this whole portion is your nothing but your die, okay. So what happened in this case, means when the punch is pressed, ये जो पंच है आपका, ये जो जस्ट अ सेकेंड, ये जो पंच है आपका, ओके, व्हेन द पंच इज प्रेस बाय अ फोर्स टू मेक इनटू द डाई, ओके, इनटू द डाई, the sheet metal pieces gets formed into the U shape, okay, U shape, okay. So in which when the punch is pressed by a force to move into the die, the sheet metal pieces gets formed into a U shape, okay. This is nothing but your U bending, okay. Next one is your offset bending. In this case you can see this is your this one is your sheet metal, okay. This one is your sheet metal. Here in this whole blank you can see die, okay. Here this is also die, and here from here force is applied, okay. So in this case what happened, means in which the a piece of sheet metal is formed into an offset shape, means जो sheet metal का piece है which form into an offset shape which the with the help of punch and die, with the help of punch and die, you will get an offset shape of the sheet metal. this offset shape of the sheet metal. Okay, so this is nothing but your offset bending. Next one is your channel bending. Here you can see this is your channel bending. In this case, this is your sheet metal. Okay, this is your punch, and here you can see this whole is your die, and here is your force is applied. Okay, from here. Okay, so what happen in this case, when a force is used to the punch, when the force is used to the punch, in this case यहाँ पे, okay, to move into the die, ये पंच से फोर्स आएगा, ये यहाँ पे where it goes on the die, then the sheet metal pieces in between the punch and die. Okay, sheet metal के pieces कहाँ पे हो गए, in between punch and in between die. Okay, right, so it gets the shape according to the shape of the die and punch. Okay, जो भी shape you have given to the according to die and punch, the shape of according to it get occurs. Okay, so this is nothing but your channel bending. Okay, so next operation is your shearing. In shearing you can see shearing operation means it is a cut in a straight line across a strip, which is cut in a straight line across a strip or sheet or bar. Okay, so it leaves a lean edges on the piece of metal is sheared or cut. So जो कट हुआ पोर्शन है, it leaves in a lean edges. Okay, and in these operations a sheet metal workpiece is placed or kept between two dies from one end and another end. जो शीट मेटल का ऑपरेशन है विच इज़ फिक्स बिटवीन टू डाइज एंड द पंच इज हिट at the other end of the sheet, producing a shearing effect. Okay, so shearing is defined as separating material into two parts. Okay, and it utilizes shearing force to cut. Here we are seeing to cut the sheet metal. Okay, so this is your shearing operation. Other operations we will see in next lecture in detail. Thank you.